Are you ready to transform your garden into a flourishing paradise? Curious about the latest innovations designed to enhance your gardening experience? In today's video, we will explore 15 most useful gadgets for your garden. Watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get straight into the video. Number 15. Yato Electri 86840. The Yato 86840 offers a convenient solution for tackling garden weeds. Made of lightweight aluminum, this tool weighs about a kilogram and features a user-friendly design. By simply placing it on the ground and stepping on it, users can easily remove weeds without the need for batteries or additional accessories. With its soft foam inserts and comfortable length, it ensures efficient and comfortable weed removal, making gardening tasks a breeze. Number 14. AGR Laser Handheld and TEKL Laser Strike. Designed to address bird-related issues, the AGR Laser Handheld and TEKL Laser Strike offer effective and humane solutions. These lasers emit non-harmful light beams that deter birds from certain areas, helping prevent damage to crops and other property. With varying ranges and capabilities, these devices are suitable for different scenarios. Number 13. Batman Bee. The Batman Bee provides a practical way to encourage bats to inhabit your property, offering natural insect control. With the ability to consume numerous insects each night, including mosquitoes, flies, and cockroaches, bats play a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. This pre-assembled bat house accommodates up to 50 bats and is designed for easy installation on wooden surfaces. By investing in the Batman Bee, you can create a welcoming environment for these beneficial creatures. Number 12. Burand and Ball Knee Lower, Gardening Kneelers and Knee Pads. Gardening often involves kneeling, which can strain knee joints. The Burand and Ball Knee Lower range offers practical solutions to protect your knees. These knee pads feature a core of shock-absorbing EVA foam encased in memory foam and neoprene layers. With a length of 52 centimeters, they provide ample coverage and cushioning for both knees. Gardening enthusiasts can comfortably kneel for extended periods, reducing the risk of discomfort and knee-related issues. Number 11. Veshchovka System. The Veshchovka System provides a time-saving solution for marking plots on farms. Compatible with reinforcing bars up to 25 millimeters in diameter or wooden poles, these brackets can increase marking speed by 50% to 70%. The system is especially valuable for large agricultural areas, helping streamline the process of marking boundaries and sections. Number 10. Ryobi 2400W Crushing Shredder. The Ryobi 2400W Crushing Shredder offers gardeners an efficient way to dispose of branches and foliage. With a powerful 2400-watt motor, it easily handles branches up to 45 millimeters in diameter. The integrated mulch collection tank, holding 55 liters, ensures a clean and tidy workspace. Smart sensors optimize energy usage, and thoughtful wheel placement enhances mobility. Priced at $500, it's a practical investment for turning garden waste into usable mulch. Number 9. Electricoup F3015. The Electricoup F3015 stands out among pruning shears for its versatility. With the ability to switch out blades in minutes, it accommodates different cutting tasks with ease. Its durable design allows it to handle branches up to 55 millimeters thick, making it suitable for a variety of pruning jobs, even in challenging environments like walnut and olive groves. While priced at $290, its adaptability and cutting prowess make it a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 8. PictureTools Backpack Fogger Machine. The PictureTools Backpack Fogger Machine offers a multifunctional solution for gardening needs. Whether it's battling mold at home, applying pesticides, or deterring mosquitoes, this tool delivers adjustable mist ranging from 20 to 50 microns. Powered by a 1200-watt motor, it covers an extensive range, reaching up to 4.6 meters. Number 7. At 1000 Designed for vineyard experts, the A1000 electric tying machine streamlines the process of vine management. With a lightweight build and a comfortable grip, it can manage up to 8,000 ties on a single charge. This tool proves particularly useful in regions like France, known for its expansive vineyards. Its efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features are poised to make it a valuable addition to viticulture practices. Number 6. Warx Landroid Vision. This robot mower uses pre-trained AI to cut grass and navigate around obstacles, making lawn maintenance effortless. Having covered over 426 million kilometers in mowing distance, it boasts a proven track record. Number 5. Sunny Forcing Clotches. Sunny Forcing Clotches offer a simple yet effective solution for protecting delicate seedlings from the elements. Constructed with a polypropylene frame and a plastic vent ring, these clotches safeguard plants against heavy rain and wind. Their straightforward design enables plants to thrive even in inclement weather, and optional staples provide added stability. Number 4. Gardina Micro Drip System. The Gardina micro drip system presents a convenient and efficient approach to watering plants. Recognizing the varying water needs of different plants, this kit offers tailored drip irrigation. It's suitable for both indoor seedlings and outdoor garden plants. With expandable options and easy installation, this system ensures proper hydration for each plant, maximizing growth potential. Number 3. Caval Waste Cycler. The Caval Waste Cycler tackles the issue of food waste with innovation. This composter efficiently transforms food leftovers, peels, and even coffee grounds into compost. With 9 modes and a quick 2-hour pre-composting option, it suits various household sizes. The deodorizing setup ensures odor-free operation, and its compact design allows for easy maintenance. Number 2. Grono Scala 2. The Grono Scala 2 stands as a powerful yet compact solution for water supply needs. With the ability to lift water up to 45 meters, it's an efficient choice for drawing groundwater. Its automatic regulation ensures smooth operation while maintaining a noise level similar to an air conditioner. Number 1. IVOLTO. The IVOLTO 18210 provides a lightweight and versatile tool for leaf cleanup. Weighing only 3 kilograms, it operates on battery power and offers both leaf blowing and vacuuming functions. With an airspeed of 210 kilometers per hour and the added convenience of wheels and a belt, users can tackle leaf removal with ease. That's gonna be all for this video. We hope you've enjoyed this video a lot. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this.